Let me talk about Microlift as a procedure today. Microlift is a procedure by which the Reveal company is promoting laser-assisted chin contouring. The same company comes up with Microtight, which is a body contouring with laser-assisted liposuction. Now, the platform which can deliver both Microlift, Microtight along with many other modalities is known as Charisma. In detail, Microlift is fat absorption or fat removal along with skin tightening of the chin area. Laser will help in both the condition, in lipolysis as well as in skin tightening. Under the local anesthesia, after doing some basic infiltration, when we put 1470 laser fiber and deliver some energy into the infiltrated area, it can do some lipolysis or dissolving of the fat, which is because of the chromophore is water. After dissolving the fat, if the quantity of the fat is larger or more, you can remove the fat by manual or a syringe liposuction. Once the fat is removed, then we can reintroduce the fiber again through the same opening points which have been taken at the submental area and at the angle or at the point where the ear lobule joins the face. These are the needle prick points and through which the fiber can travel inside in the subcutaneous plane to do some skin tightening or ironing of the skin from below or scratching the lower dermis or deep dermis from below, resulting in a fine contouring or a fine redraping of the skin back to the chin. So Microlift, whom to offer? Basically, in the women who are in the early age group or early aging, you can offer only skin tightening. For the patients or for the individuals, those who are coming with a little bit of fatty deposit into the submental area, you can offer them the liposuction or a fat dissolving injection along with the skin tightening. But if there's a very heavy neck, then definitely she or he will require surgical neck lift or surgical neck contouring. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and keep watching this handle. Bye.